So check this out. We've got our screen, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a new screen because I want to use this for showing you the library. Why did it go there? What are you doing? Come on, I'm double clicking on add new screen. Be good about it. And I'm just going to call this third. Okay, and let's click on the screen, click on properties, layout, 500 by 500, general, and for the appearance of this, I think I'm just going to make this kind of a white because I want you to be able to see exactly what's going on for now, at least with these graphics. So let me come into main, take my screen navigation button, and I'm just going to copy and create one more of those. Click on that, click into events, screen number, and we're going to send this one to third. So come on now, there we go, there's third. And I probably better change the text on the button as well. So let's copy that, bring it over here into our second. Man, there we go. Look at that. When I try to double click, it's like jumping all over the place. I don't get it. Alright, Control V. So there we go. Now I've got all three of those buttons here. I'm going to copy, come over here into my third screen and Control V. So now I've got navigation over here. And no reason to pussyfoot around anymore. Let's jump right down here. Check this out over here in my toolbox, way hidden on the bottom, out of sight. I've got graphics, okay? And I'm going to minimize some of this stuff so we can get the graphics up here a little higher and make it more prominent. Let's just really blow this out, okay? I mean, look at what we've got here. We've got, this is in the stuff that's included. We can bring our own stuff into this, but we've got automation stuff. We've got blowers, cabinets, gears, heating and boilers. We've got mixers, motors, pipes, pumps, sensors, signals, spindles, states, tanks, valves. What the hell, right? And, you know, we've got sensors. I mean, God, are you serious? Nature. We've got plant facilities, vehicles, safety, finishing, food. Are you kidding me? Is there a food library? I've got to click on that. Okay, so let me click on food, and here we go. Okay, it's food processing. It's not food, because I was really hoping to see like some tacos and something on here. That would have been amazing. But HVAC, you know, chemical, valves, mixers, IT equipment. Are you kidding me right now? It's like, look at all this stuff. All right. So, you know, I need a pump. Boom. I just drag it in here and I've got a pump. Okay.